Meet Divya. She's an HR manager at this company, and you're about to see her having a meltdown.
Hi Divya.
Hello?
We need to hire a new software developer urgently.
Urgent hiring. Again?
Can you find us someone ASAP?
Budget care.
Well, we're looking to keep them around. 2 cups of coffee a day and maybe access to the office vending machine. This should be enough, right?
What? Seriously? Unbelievable. Hi, I'm Divya and I'm an overworked HR manager. I got a hiring request for a senior software engineer, and in compensation, they're offering a coupon for a free yoga class and a cup of yogurt every day.
My company wants me to hire a web designer with 5 years of experience for a high five every day.
हेलो, कहाँ खो गए भाई?
भाई खुश कैसे है? अभी अभी लॉटरी लगी है क्या?
गाइस मैं भी पहले तुम लोग की तरह परेशान रहता था। अर्जेंट हायरिंग से परेशान, टेकीज के विशेस का स्लेव। फिर मुझे मिला BeGig जैसा एक वेबसाइट। सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन हायर टेक फ्रीलांसर्स डायरेक्टली, सो क्वालिटी विदाउट द फुल टाइम फस।
वेट, मतलब मुझे फुल टाइम टेक इसके नखरे नहीं झेलने पड़ेंगे?
And no more negotiations for perks and benefits.
Exactly. So no more free coupons and you only pay for the work that you get done.
Discover a hassle-free way to find top tech talent. Join the HR managers and founders who've made the switch to BeGig. It's time to bid farewell to snooty full-time hires and coffee cup negotiations and say hello to a new era of hiring.